Okay, so this is the Bosch wiper blade, the BBA 425, and you look at it and you think, well, how the hell am I going to get that onto there? You see that, the hook? There's a trick to it. These two lines here on each side, you got to push in and lift at the same time. That comes open. So then this is a little bridge in here. It sort of rocks so that as the wiper goes across the windscreen it can move. So what you do to connect it, is run that loop, doing it one-handed, through there, and then that little bridge inside clicks in and on like that. And that's done. That's an upgrade for the Ute. Yeah, this is about, I think, about $10 at the super cheap shop, mechanic shop in town. I nearly fainted when he gave me the price. I'll try and get the receipt for you. Here we go. Yeah. These have to be one of the most expensive wiper blades on the market at $44. You gotta ask yourself whether it's worth it. I mean, I got them for the 60 because I think for the 60 it's worth it, but the 60 is a bit older and it's actual old school style, and you can see the difference in the wipers. One new one, one old one. But you know, I thought I'd try them on here rather than go back to the shop, because if you're like me, I like the bush and I like to be outdoors and I don't like being trapped in a store. That's just how I am. So if I can avoid going back, just to take them back and try and find the one that fit, I'd rather fit them to something else. And these didn't need changing anyway. Okay, so I'll try and show you how you get this off. It's quite simple. There's a little catch there, see inside there? Inside there. You got to push that in, that little lever there. If I can do it. Did it on the other one, and it slides out. It's pretty jammed in there and tight and old, but it's been in there a while, and it's off. Just like that. I'll show you how you fit the new one. Just put it up there for now. And what did I do with the new one? They're here. Goes like that because of the wind pushing down. These three little lines on the front. Squeeze them in. And they pop up like that, and then he becomes able to install it. Locked in there now. Close that up. That's on the car. So yeah, $100 worth of bloody wiper blades. Who would have thought? I bet no one in town's got them. Anyway, we're probably 2-3 weeks away from getting flares once the flares are on, I've got the bull bar, I'll put the bull bar on. Once the bull bar is on, because over here, again, I've only got about, and you know, when the wheel's straight and sitting, there's only about 1.5 inch gap there. I need a new bull bar because of the kangaroo. I've taken impact here, it's pushed it back. So once the bull bar's on in, well, the end of March, April, end of April, it'll be a good thing, and have new tyres put on it, a winch and spotlights. I don't know myself. Yeah, anyway, thanks for that, and I'll see you next time in Lakesh.